Welcome back to our channel where we simplify tech for everyone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to fix the Your IT administrator has limited access error in Windows 11, whether it's blocking you from accessing certain settings or installing software. We've got you covered, so let's get started. First, let's understand why this happens. This error typically occurs in corporate environments where IT policies restrict user permissions. However, it can also appear on personal computers due to software conflicts or misconfigured settings. So, firstly, what you have to do is you just need to enable Active Administrator account. For that, you just need to go to your Start menu or Search menu and type CMD. Then open command prompt as administrator. Now here you need to type this command, which I will be linking down in the description. Then press enter from your keyboard and you can see showing the command is completed successfully. Now check if it is solved your problem. If it hasn't, then check your account. Type. For that, you just need to right click on your start menu, then click on settings, go to account from your left side. On your right side, make sure that your account is not connected with any work or school account. If it is connected with school or work account, you just need to remove it. Also, if you are using any third-party antivirus software, then you just need to uninstall or disable it and try to access your proper apps and check if your problem is solved. If it is not, then I will give you some commands which will help you. So what you need to do is simply go to start menu and type CMD. Now click as run as administrator. After command prompt has opened, you just need to copy this. All this command will be listed down in my video description and you just need to right click. And after done, you just need to restart your PC and it will fix your problem. And that wraps up our guide on fixing the Your IT administrator has limited access error in Windows 11. If this video helped you, give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.